Good morning everyone. Thought I would vlog today because this might be almost my last video for a little while, but I will explain all in my next video about like what to expect and stuff when I go off to birth a baby. You can't actually see in this video, it's so weird. In the camera I look really pale. In real life I'm like orange. I applied a fake tan the other night and I'm not that impressed, I have to say. It was the Tan Luxe Gradual Tanner. So it's just like a milky lotion and I applied it everywhere. And when I applied it, I was like, this is so easy. If this works, it's gonna be great. And then I woke up the next day and I've got like weird patches all over my hands and like arms. I'm like really patchy there. My face just looks so orange. So that is a shame, but no one's really gonna see me. So I'm just gonna kind of let it fade and exfoliate a bit. I'm just getting ready. I actually haven't got any like proper plans today really, but I'm hoping to maybe film a video because I want to film a what's in my hospital bag video, but I'm not going to actually put it live before. Again, I'll talk to you guys about that in the next video. I'm going to do like a big update video. So I'm going to try and film that, and then I'm also going to try and do some batch cooking because I'm trying to fill our freezer with food so that when we have the baby, dinners are kind of sorted, like loads of sauces, anything that will go with like pasta or couscous. So I feel like people can bring over lunch and we could maybe like walk to the cafe and get stuff, but it'd be nice to have some like dinners sorted and not rely on everyone else to cook for us. So that's what I'm planning. We've only got a small freezer, but I'm just going to do as much as I can really. I've already done chicken casserole, bolognese and a tomato and meatball sauce. I'm going to do some soups and like curries and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. Today, as I film this, I am 37 weeks pregnant, which is nuts because that's when technically the baby is no longer classed as premature. She could be born at any point now and she would be fine, and that is just so crazy. So now it feels really like a waiting game. And my bump has dropped a little, which is such a massive relief because my ribs are starting, I don't want to jinx it, but they're starting to ease off. The last week I've really been struggling with like the most excruciating rib pain. It's a mix of between like rib pain's really common in pregnancy, so it's a mix of that, like the strain on the muscles around your rib because of the bump, but also I had a previous injury on my ribs from working out, so mine I think was like doubly bad. And it was really painful, like I'd be walking around Tesco's crying, that sort of painful. So I don't want to jinx it, but at the moment it's feeling a little bit better, which is such a nice relief. Everything's kind of winding down. Like I've had a little meeting with my managers at Gleam about like what we're gonna do over the next few months, and I don't know, like everything's going a bit quiet. It's really strange actually, but I'm so excited. I'm in a very good mental space at the moment, which is good. My sisters have all been away for Easter holidays, so I think I'm gonna go over this morning and visit them so I can see the kids because I've missed everyone. Everyone's going on holiday. That's the only thing. I've got such FOMO of like everyone seems to be away at the moment and like somewhere sunny. And I would just absolutely love a holiday. I think I'm gonna miss traveling. We're going away in August on a little holiday, so that'll be so nice. But yeah, I'm very jealous of everyone that's away in hot places at the moment. Thank you for all your lovely comments on the nursery tour. I'm so glad you guys enjoyed it. I'm glad it was helpful. That's why I put like small nursery tour, because I know when people like search for things on YouTube, I know when I did, often people's baby rooms are massive. So it was nice to put something online that is for people who have smaller rooms. And yeah, we're really happy with it. So thank you so much for all your nice comments. Okay, I'm gonna finish my makeup. I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and have a little bit of breakfast. I'm very excited for the bank holiday weekend. It's meant to be so sunny. I don't know, I haven't been heavily pregnant in the sun. It's gonna be like 24 degrees, so I have no idea what I'm gonna wear and stuff, but I think we're having some friends over for a barbecue. Really nice. We've ordered up a barbecue, we didn't have one, and we've got our sofa, and we're gonna go buy like a umbrella parasol thing to go over the sofa from IKEA, I think on Friday, because obviously Rich will be off work. So yeah, I'm excited for a nice little sunny weekend. Also something I really want to do pre-baby, which I just keep putting off because I don't have the energy at all, is go through my wardrobe and start looking through my like spring summer clothes and pull out anything from storage that I think I'll be able to fit into post baby, because I don't think I'm gonna have time to do that, and I think it'll be annoying if it's suddenly warm and I've got nothing to wear. I don't know what I'm going to fit into, but I think I remember I had quite a few like wrap dresses and stuff, so those will be fine. I never really wore like tight fitting clothes before anyway, so hopefully quite a lot of the stuff will fit me. So I want to do that at some point. But other than that, I've kind of ticked everything off my list that I want to do, which is good. I feel very organised. This stuff here on this side of the bedroom is hospital bag stuff. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. There's like during labour, after delivery, baby bag. But as I said, I will film this and you'll see me talk about it after I've had the baby. I'm back from my sister's. It was so nice to see her and the kids, and I'm going to do a little kind of Instagram story session because my managers came over yesterday with all my PO box stuff, and I've got so much stuff to show you guys on Instagram, so I'm going to head over there and do that now. Let me show you guys on here. I got sent this amazing print. If you didn't see me talk about it on Instagram, this was a PR gift, and the guy who makes it, his name's Will, his handle's at Will Makes Things. He just sent it without asking me, which was so brave, and I was terrified because if I got something this large and didn't like it, I would definitely have to try and figure out a way of sending it back. I would feel so bad. There are only 50 of these made. He's based in Brighton and he does these maps. I love it so much. Let me see if I can show you close up. It's a map of London and the Thames is in gold foiling. It's so gorgeous. I didn't know what I wanted on this wall until I got sent this, and now I'm like, that would look perfect just here above the dining table. There, I'm going to try put it up this weekend. I'm so happy with it, so thank you so much to Will for sending this to me. Okay, so I think the plan now is to do some more batch cooking. I so can't be bothered, but I need to just get on it. It's kind of 12:30, so I might get hungry halfway through, but I've got a frozen pizza that I need to eat. So I think I'm gonna first make some minestrone soup. That'd be a really nice like filling like lunch. I think that would be a good lunch option, and then we could always make some pasta and add it in when we're actually eating it. Let me show you what's in the freezer at the moment. So this is our little freezer down here. In this bottom drawer I've got 2 tomato sauce with meatballs, 2 bolognese sauces, and then 2 chicken casseroles. I've put little labels on so that you know the date that it was made. Not that I know how long it lasts for, but it'll be fine. This is the drawer we need to clear out. Oh, maybe I'll make this for lunch. Yeah, I'm gonna make this. It's like a Deliciously Ella thing. So the recipe I'm using for the minestrone is one that my mum saw in a magazine like years ago that we always just like refer back to. I've got it saved on my phone. So it's got loads of stuff in it, and I'm just gonna basically get on. I'll chop everything up and maybe I'll try and show you guys. Oh my God, my bump has dropped so much this week that she's literally resting on my bladder. Oh, it's so weird at all times. I feel like I need a wee. Anyway, back to food. I've got 3 onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 carrots, 2 sticks of celery, some pancetta, parsley, spinach, 2 tins of plum tomatoes, vegetable stock, and cannellini beans. Lots of ingredients, but it's so worth it. I just don't know whether to make the pasta, put it in, and then freeze it with the pasta. Can't decide. I'm usually quite good with onions, but I'm really crying today. Right, I'm going to use the big pot for this. Okay, now the base is kind of cooked, which is just the carrots, celery, onions and garlic. I kind of push them all to the side and then use this part of the pan to cook the pancetta. So I let the pancetta cook just on this side here. Ooh, steaming up. Struggling to stand, just having to sit on the ball whilst I wait for things to cook. Okay, I'm going to let that all bubble away for about 20 minutes and then I'll finish it off. Okay, 20 minutes is up. I've added the beans and the courgette and I'm going to let those cook now in the soup. And then I'm gonna add spinach. Okay, the soup is ready. I decided not to add the pasta because I think it will go gloopy when it's frozen, so we can add that fresh. Tastes delicious, got lots of good veg in there. And I'm gonna put it into these containers. I know they're plastic and they're not good for the world, but it's just for convenience for this one time. I've also got soup bags. I'll show you, we're using one in the freezer, but I personally, I don't know, I don't think it actually saves space. I find them kind of harder to store, whereas at least these ones, you can just stack them really easily. So I think I'm gonna continue using these. These are the last two that I have, so let's see how much I can fit in. There is loads, so I filled up 2 of these and there's still loads left, so I'll probably use my bags for the rest of them. I've got these little sticky labels, so I'm just gonna write down what it is and the date that I cooked it, so that we know. So I'm gonna write minestrone soup, and the date is the 17th of April. And just stick it on here. Okay, there you go. So we've managed to fit 9 portions. Well, actually, it's like 2 portions in each pot. So 9 pots in there. And I think that's pretty good going. I've just been spending the afternoon with my sisters and the kids because they've all just been away on Easter holidays. So that was really nice. So I think I might vlog a little bit tomorrow as well because I didn't end up vlogging that much today. I thought I was going to film stuff this afternoon, but I didn't manage to. So I will try and film a little bit in the morning, tomorrow morning. What am I doing tomorrow afternoon? I've got plans. Oh, I'm going to a reflexology lady tomorrow afternoon. A lot of my friends like swear by reflexology and did it later on in their pregnancy. So I thought I'd give that a go. Good morning everyone, I'm back in the kitchen, but today it is Friday, so it's 2 days later after filming, and it's bank holiday Easter weekend, which kind of crept up on me. I think when you work for yourself, you kind of forget about these things, and I've also been kind of winding down a bit for work anyway, but it means Rich is off work, and everyone's off work, and it's meant to be a really gorgeous sunny weekend, so I'm really happy about that. I'm feeling good. I tried reflexology for the first time last night, and absolutely loved it. Really, really loved it. I know a lot of you guys know that I've been doing acupuncture for quite a long time. And actually, I think I preferred reflexology just because you feel like you're getting more for your money because you're also getting like a really good foot massage, but it just kind of made sense to me. Like I had really sore ankle. I thought it was a bruise from my shoe, and she was like, that part of your foot represents your pelvis, which totally makes sense if the baby's like moving down into my pelvis. It's all very clever. It was really lovely and relaxing. Didn't give me as good a night's sleep as I had hoped. I was up 4 times last night going to the toilet, and I'm getting so many Braxton Hicks at the moment. It's like constant. So I know my body's definitely like getting ready to have a baby, which is mad. Also, new pregnancy symptom that I just was not expecting. No one warned me. Night sweats. 2 nights in a row, woken up like in a pool of my own sweat. It's disgusting. Apparently it only gets worse after you have the baby. So that's great. Might have to get like a thinner duvet. So plans for today, Rich has just now gone to the gym. My dad is coming over to help Rich build our new barbecue. We ordered a barbecue because we knew it's gonna be a sunny weekend. We're also gonna want one this summer. We probably won't get around to doing it if we don't do it now. So building a barbecue. Then I think we're gonna go to my sister's for some lunch. She's potty training my nephew, so they're kind of staying in all weekend to avoid any leakages. And then this afternoon, my friend Jake and Kelly are coming over for some tea. So it'll be really nice. I've got some really nice plans this weekend. Tomorrow we're having a barbecue with friends. I'm going to my grandma to make dinner. And then Sunday I'm going for a spa day with my friends. It's crazy. 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks actually, until my due date. I should probably stop making plans just in case. But yeah, just feeling great because of the weather, really. Whew. That was a lot of talking. I haven't done the rest of the batch cooking. I bought all the ingredients to make like a tomato and aubergine tagine thing and a Thai curry, and I haven't really got around to doing it. I'm feeling a bit lazy now, so I don't know. I'm sure I will at some point. This is the barbecue situation, putting this together. Juno's enjoying a spot of sunbathing in our garden. Just went to get some food to barbecue, and I'm lighting my massive Jo Malone candle because we really need to, I don't know what I'm saving this for, so I'm just trimming the wick from the last time I burnt it. Oops. It's very important to do this, to burn the candle properly. It's the Wild Fig and Cassis, which is my favourite Jo Malone scent. Oh, I love this candle. I literally got given it years ago. I don't know what I've been saving it for. We didn't manage to put the barbecue together, did we, Rich? Bit of a fail.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, but not the gas bit.
It's about to go together.
So we're having an oven barbecue for now. My sister's filled this up with freezing cold water because she said it would cool me down because I've got a little bit hysterical and I don't have any clothes to wear. But it's actually freezing. I actually can't put my feet in it. It's so oh my god, I can't. I actually can't. Okay. Oh my god, look at my hair. My sister's left. I was just having a big moan on Instagram. Not a moan actually, just saying like, how do people who are heavily pregnant in the summer do it? I was loving that weather this morning, but now it's so hot and I've got nothing that fits me. Like, I just went up to my wardrobe and I cannot believe I've got nothing. At this point I'm considering wearing some of Rich's boxes. I haven't got any shorts, any skirts, any dresses, nothing that fits for this weather. An ice cream van pulled up outside, so I got an ice cream. I'm just like, I'm sitting in the shade now. I don't know why our house is filled with flies. I'm not really sure why they've come in from outside. Yeah, props to you if you've done this in the height of summer. I definitely couldn't. Yeah, I'm wearing a dress and I look absolutely, let me show you actually. This is the only thing that fits me, but it's made out of a really sweaty material. Look how big, and you can see my knickers. I look ridiculous. I think we're gonna go get my summer clothes out from above the wardrobe to see if there's anything in there, because I won't last the weekend otherwise. Okay, Rich has pulled all my summer clothes down for me so I can see if there's anything that I can wear. Although I remember going through this and thinking, what can I wear when I'm pregnant or after I've had a baby? So can't imagine there's lots that I missed. We are having scones now. I promise there's been time since lunch. It's not straight after the other, one after the other. Jake and Kelly have come to visit. Hello. Hey. My musical friends. You know Jake. He's my opera singing friend.
Hi everyone.
And this is Kelly, his girlfriend.
Hi.
Who is, oh, I'm going to do proper intro. Kelly plays Christine in Phantom of the Opera on West End. That's actually true though.
That was an average intro.
Oh, I panicked. I didn't know if I got all the details right. So what we've got here, we've got brownie.
Chocolate fingers.
We've got scones. This is so English. Yum. Oh, my lips have proper swollen up. Whoa. Sorry about that. I've just put some cream on them. I don't know why. I think I've just been like itching them. Maybe it's from the heat or something. Jake and Kelly have just left. Let me know, by the way, if you've seen Kelly in Phantom of the Opera playing Christine. That'd be really cool. Leave me a comment and tell me if you have, because I think she's been doing it for a couple of years now. They've gone and we are, I mean, I'm absolutely shattered, but we are going to drag ourselves to IKEA because we really need, they're not called umbrellas. I don't know what they're called. Parasol. For our outdoor table. Today it was just so hot and it's going to be hot tomorrow and all weekends, and we're having friends over tomorrow, so we're going to get one of those. It'll also be really good obviously when we have the baby, so we can sit outside in the shade. So we're going to do that. Luckily it's right by the till, so we don't have to go all the way through IKEA. We just kind of go in the like till way, basically the end. So I'm going to do that now and then come back and relax. We'll probably have takeaway. Oh, this is high quality vlogging right here. It's so nice and empty with only crazy people in IKEA on sunny bank holiday Friday. This is what we are after. One of these bad boys.
You want it in white or beige? White.
Guys, the best thing happened. We got Wagamama's on the way back from IKEA. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I have no idea what this vlog is gonna be like. I know for sure that I have no sort of thumbnail and no sort of title, and it's very unprofessional. But it's my penultimate video, so it was bound to be. I'm just glad I've got something. Oh crap, I need to edit this tonight. It's Friday and it's meant to go up on Sunday. Oh, that should be interesting. Thank you for watching. And thank you for all your kind comments, as always. As I said, any like unanswered questions about maternity leave, pregnancy, what is going on, I should hopefully answer for you in the next video. If I make it, like, I keep thinking, what if I go into labour before I film this like bye video? No one's gonna know what the hell's going on. I'm gonna try and do it on Tuesday, so I'm sure I'll be fine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in that video. Bye.